boy Claudel. Hey, as you know the face, your main Kompa dance instructor. I'm with two beautiful young ladies. I'm with
Marie Corbel
and
Deja Morgan.
By the way, Deja, she's not Haitian, but she's becoming Kompa dancer. One of the best. She's gonna be one of the best.
We just better each other. Yes.
Haiti and what?
Antigua.
Antigua.
Virgin Islands.
Guys, by the way, we are inviting you. You guys see me dancing with Mary before. We're inviting you to a wonderful workshop on February 12th, Saturday, February 12th, at Dance IL Studio. Mary, tell people a bit more about the workshop, what's gonna happen, what they're gonna learn.
So basically, you're gonna learn how to dance Kompa, the basic of Kompa. I know a lot of people, because you're Haitian, you automatically think you know how to dance Kompa because it's a 1-2 step thing. No, it's very structured. So we here